Hello everyone, my name is Alif and I would like to welcome you all to Data with Alif, where we will learn the data analysis from the beginning. If you are a beginner, you should follow my channel so that you may understand how to do the data analysis. So today we are going to learn the average function. So AVERAGEIF, AVERAGEIFs. If you have to find out the average of the total quantity sold, what you have to do, you have to call the function of average, beg a pardon, equal to average, and you have to select all the 394 quantity sold. Okay, so this is the average of 5103, and if we have to find out any specific department, what do you have to do? So average if now what I have to do is I have to find out the range which I'm going to call this is the department, right? So department, comma, and the department is given here, comma, and the average amount, the average quantity that we are going to call. So this is the result, 4346.35 in R&D. Okay, so if we have to find out HR, if we have to find out marketing, we can change it. This is the list which is validating and sorting all the departments over here. This list has been created by doing validation. Okay, so now I would like to find if we have to find out different departments and country business, country-wise business units, how they are performing. So we have to call the average ifs. Okay, so AVERAGEIFs, the average range. We have to call the average range at first. Quantity sold, the second one is the criteria range 1. So we have business unit over here, so we have to select the business unit, control shift down arrow. Then we have to call the business unit, comma, then we have to call the country. So country range, we will select, and the country given over here. So now comma and select it. Okay, so the 5323.56 is the business unit of personal care in Thailand selling. Now if we have to select China, if we select China, we will find out the China sales in personal care. If Malaysia, if Singapore, so different countries sold different kind of items and the different kind of sales, and in pharma section how they are performing, the aggregate, then telecom, how they are performing in Austria. So this is how it will work, and the next in the next okay, thank you. This is all I have to say. I have a good day.